So today we are going to make these very two cute little policemen. For this, here we are taken a bulb, and firstly we are going to take two molded and we are going to mix it together. Apply a glue gun on the top of the bulb first and then mix the molded and cover the whole upper part with molded clay like this. First make the nose of the policeman, then make its mustache, ears, eyebrows and eyes we are going to paint. Now we have mixed M-Seal also together to make it more supportive. Then using M-Seal we are going to make its arms and legs. Firstly we are making its arms. So here we have a toy gun and we are going to attach it with the policeman's body. Now here we have taken a plastic cup and we are going to make a turban by rolling molded like this around. And make it first, let it dry, and we are going to keep it on the head of the policeman. Like this we are going to keep it. Stick it with glue gun and let it dry. So this is ready. We have also made the arms and hands using molded. Apply a layer of gesso first, let it dry. Then paint it with the shirt of the policeman color. We have mixed yellow, green and a little bit of black and white. Paint it whole. Make the skin with skin color only. Toy gun with black and shoes with brown. We have made the eyes and this is ready. So let's move ahead on our next video. For the next DIY, here we have taken again two bulbs. Firstly we have taken the M-Seal and we are going to mix the two together. Now to support it, here we have made a round shape at its bottom and two arms. Now we are going to cover the upper body. Firstly, we are going to stick a Fevicol empty cap on it to make its neck more upward, like this. And now we are going to take the molded or M-Seal, whatever you want to use, you can use, and we are going to keep the face like this. Cover the body first and stick the M-Seal like this to make it stop like this. Now firstly let it dry. We are going to paint it with gesso. Apply and now we are going to paint it with different colors. So like it's ready.